If you're suffering from a chronic neck tension and the pain that doesn't get better with the stretching, massaging, heating pack, or ice pack, then this movement series is for you. And not only this will help you improve your neck pain and tension, this will help you understand your body and the better movement from the inside out so that you can help yourself and live your life more comfortably and confidently in the future. So let's get into today's movement retraining. And go ahead and grab a chair and sit on the front edge of the chair. We're going to start by readjusting your posture. You're sitting on alignment, and go ahead and round your spine, round your pelvis, back and forth a few times, arching, rounding your spine a few times, and to find the middle or somewhat neutral posture. So that's where you start. And from the neutral sitting posture, go ahead and take your right hand on your chest and left hand on your belly. Well, actually, which hand goes on which, it doesn't really matter, but let's have one hand on your chest, one hand on your belly, and begin to rotate to the right. Rotate to the right, and if you watch, two hands, right hand and the left hand, should draw a straight line. And as you are turning, go ahead and turn in a way that the two hands, they move together, which means you have to find a way to move from your pelvis, from your hips. If one hand moves and then the other hand doesn't move, that means you're not moving from your hips. Go ahead and find a way to turn from your hips and then move it so that the two hands will stay in a straight line. And also watch your legs, your knees, so that your legs won't tilt side to side. You notice the one knee goes forward, the other knee goes back, and vice versa. Pay attention to your neck while you begin to do this rotation through the whole spine. And if you're holding your neck in place, and go ahead and allow your neck and head to turn with the rest of your spine and your pelvis, so that you can reduce an effort and habitual muscle activity around your neck. Breathing should be easier. It's not a stretching, so don't force it to go as far as you could. Stay within your comfortable range. It is about reorganizing your movement patterns, retraining the movement patterns and the nervous system. So that's the focus, not a stretching. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do, and hit the bell button so that you get notified when a new video posted. Thank you. And let's switch over to the other side. Same thing. Watch the lines between the two hands so that two hands move together, which means that you are moving from your hips and then the whole spine is coordinated. Watch your neck, effort, neck. Allow your neck and head to move with the rest of the spine and your pelvis so that you reduce an effort. You are integrating your chest or the whole spine and the hips with your neck. And that's really important when you want to improve your neck tension and the pain. But that's the functions of your neck. So how far you move, it really doesn't matter so much. But how well you can really pay attention to, that's important. And then how well you can integrate the whole body, that's very important. Once you're done in each direction, then you do both directions, going to the right and going to the left. And slowly pay attention to quality of the movement, not quantity, not the range. Do it slowly so that you can better pay attention to your body. That's important. So ultimately, you want to be able to really bring these new movement patterns into your day-to-day activities so that you can start to integrate more parts of your body with your neck so that you don't really repetitively stress your neck, strain your neck in day-to-day activities. That's really the purpose of this video series. Now just for fun, we'll just do a little coordination movement. So you're going to do the same movement with your torso, but allow your head and neck to turn the opposite directions without forcing it. still move it gently so that you don't really cause any pain or discomfort. Find improving the coordination and connection. That's important. You still find a way to move easily without two parts of fighting against each other. Just a few times, make sure that you can breathe easily, comfortably while you're doing these movements. Yep, like so. Always about the quality. It is about retraining the movement patterns and your nervous system. Yes, I repeat that many times throughout this series and throughout all my videos. Once you're done, and check the movement of your neck and head and see how it feels. Hopefully you like this movement, your neck appreciate that. I want to let you know that you can join my free masterclass, Path to Comfort, Confidence, and Authenticity in Your Body. And this is an overview of my comprehensive movement course called Understanding How Your Body Moves Method. If you want to submit your application to this course, and you can do so in the master class. So I hope to see you inside the master class.